Hello everybody, I would like to show you in my video the baby monitor FOSCAM BM1. So let's check what's inside the package. So as inside is the Wi-Fi or wireless camera, then the LCD display, and the small package with the chargers and cables, and also the user manual. There is two cables and two chargers, one for camera and second one for a LCD display. So for LCD display there is charger, or both are same. You don't need to distinguish which one is for camera and which one is for LCD display. You can also use your mobile phone charger. So if you lose it, you can replace it with the classic mobile phone charger. For charging the LCD display, you should use the USB-C connector, so which is the plug is on the bottom. You don't need to plug it in all the time because the LCD display have the battery inside, so it's same like a mobile phone. Camera need the power supply all the time. For the camera you need the micro USB cable, so also the classic as it was used for older type of the mobile phone. If you plug in the power into the camera, you will hear the voice. So it was something like the system is starting up. So it's very nice feature of the camera. The camera is informing you what's happened. To switch on the LCD display, just press the power on button a little bit longer. So and it's immediately starting. So and also immediately the camera is connected to the display. You don't need to set up anything else. So part of the LCD display is also the antenna. So antenna is necessary if you want to work in longer distance. Normally you can just keep inside. You can control the camera via the buttons. So there is a button right side, turn to the right side, turn to the left side, up and down, of course. You can also go into the settings of the camera and change, for example, the brightness or volume. Go to the settings of the LCD display. You have to press this one button, and now you can find that baby monitor have all the features. So the first one is that you can connect more cameras. Next one is that you can set up the feeding alarm. You can change the sound of the alarm. You can also set up the temperature alarm. I didn't show you, but here on the right side of the display you have also the temperature. There is also the symbol which is showing you the status of the battery, but there is also the information about the actual temperature inside the room. This is a very nice feature. So let's go back to the settings. So as I said, you can set also the temperature alarm. You can play some music. To play the music, you just go inside, press OK, and choose some song, and you hear that the song is playing. Okay, now I press off and go back. So it is songs for children, of course. You can change the some duration of the display, how long is display switched on. So then you can switch on the recording. You can run the playback what you already record. Change some settings like date, time. You can reset the device or check the version of the system. So the system have, you can see the version. So I'm not sure if this information can be helpful, but it is visible there. And of course you can change the language. Languages: English, Czech, Chinese, French, Netherlands, Italian, Spain, or German. So this is all languages which is possible to set up. So I think this is everything very quick and very fast, but I think I told you all necessary information about this baby monitor. I think it's a very good device and I'm satisfied with it. Thanks for watching.